In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload and share files on Google Drive. You can use this to share photos and videos easily. Start by heading to Google Drive and sign in if you haven't already. Next, head to the side and select My Drive. You can find all of your files and folders here. You can right-click on the blank space here and choose either File or Folder Upload to upload your files. However, I find it easier to just drag in the files or folders. Alternatively, you can right-click and create a new folder inside of Google Drive. Double-click on the folder to open it. Then upload the files directly to your new folder. Once your files have uploaded, you can share them. To do so, open the options via the three dots or select the folder name at the top to share a folder. Go to Share and select Share again. Use the box here to share the file using someone's email address, or head down to the General Access and click on the down arrow. Choose Anyone with a link. This will allow anyone with a file link to see and download the file. Click the viewer text on the side and choose what role you want the people to have. Typically, the viewer option is fine. Click the Copy Link button and your file link will be copied to your clipboard, allowing you to paste it in and share it. You can remove access at any point by opening up the share options and setting the general access setting to restricted. You now know how to upload and share files on Google Drive. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.